how to fix Android Auto not working. So first of all, you would have to check cable and connection. Use a good USB cable and plug it firmly. Now another step you could do is that you can restart your phone and car system in order to fix your issue. Now, the third step you could do in order to fix your issue is that launch settings. From here, scroll down below. Go ahead and tap on apps. From here, go ahead and tap on Android Auto. Now, simply tap on permissions. Make sure you have allowed permissions for each and every category over here. Now, the next step you can do in order to fix your issue is that scroll down below and tap on Storage. Now, over here at the bottom right corner, go ahead and tap on Clear Cache. Now, another step you could do in order to resolve your problem is that scroll down to your control panel. Make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Also, make sure that you have turned on location services. You also have to check car compatibility. Make sure your car supports Android Auto. So follow these easy steps in order to fix your issue. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.